So question paper is out, anthropology question paper. It is very on expected lines. It is scope and relevance of social and cultural anthropology is the first question which we can write. Cultural impact of Iron Age, race and ethnicity. Customary laws and environmental conservation means the cultural habits, like we can write about Malar tribal community, we can write about Dongriya Kon tribal population. Gene expression means they are asking about allele. So for a gene, what are the expressions? Are there multiple expressions will be there. So that expression is called as allele. So we have to write about chromosome, we have to write about gene, we have to write about allele. The differences you have to write, and you have to write about any diseases which are caused. Discuss major species of Australopithecines from South and East African. Expected question. Afarensis, Africanus, this particular direct question it is. And discuss the Paleolithic environment in light of available evidences with special reference to Indian Paleolithic. Malnutrition, different types of malnutrition like protein energy malnutrition, micronutrient malnutrition. Yesterday we discussed in the class, if you remember. Iodine, zinc, sodium. What is hominization process? Hominization process means from hominoid to hominid, how we became. Means in the process of evolution of man, how the process has been changed from Australopithecines to Homo erectus to Neanderthal to Homo sapiens. That is hominization process. Clifford Geertz look at religion, difference between anthropological approaches and psychological approaches. Sigmund Freud psychological approach and anthropological approach of religion. Expected question it is. Mixed longitudinal method, studying of human growth, 10th unit question this is. Discuss the role of marriage regulations. That means this one, preferential marriages, prescriptive marriages, proscriptive marriages. Discuss various methods of personal identification based on skeletal remains. 12th unit we will be discussing. Mesolithic sites and previous year question. Identify the major Mesolithic sites and describe the typo-technological features with special reference to India is previous year question. Okay. Only one question is there, which is googly type of question. 10 marker, glutochronology, understanding chronology, how the languages became diverse. Compulsory googly type of question. This is, I will accept it. Polygenic inheritance, Krakygard, which we discussed in our test series program, menopausal symptoms, William Ogburn and cultural lag. This is one concept which is present in, but little bit, this is also one question which is googly type of question. So 20 markers are googly type of questions. I am accepting it. Critically discuss the controversies related to fieldwork of Malnovisky and Margaret Mead. Fieldwork, how you can do, why? Because we will be influenced by the local people. The data which is coming is objective or subjective. Discuss the impact of globalization on the economic systems of indigenous, impact of globalization on indigenous economic systems like fishing, hunting, artisans. For example, our own Chenchu tribal community who were been basket makers is been dominated by plastic.
Plastic overtook.
Describe the practical applications of DNA technology in the current scenario, 12th unit.
For medical purposes.
Describe various methods of qualitative data analysis. Highlight some popular computer software used in qualitative analysis. Sampling methods, but this question we can leave it. What assumptions must be met for a population to be in genetic equilibrium? Explain the importance of genetic equilibrium. Heterozygosity. Discuss the political and methodological aspects of national character studies. So this question if we remove, another critically examine Arjun Appadurai's conceptualization of global cultural economy. Describe the causes of structural abnormalities of chromosomes with suitable examples. Critical discuss Kroiber's contribution to kinship. Kroiber and Lowy, 8 characteristics he gave. Kinship determinants, age, I told gender. This later. Kroiber and Lowy, they gave 8 determinants like age, dissidence, from sex, from which gender, those are comes under this particular. So overall, except a few questions, googly type of questions, except glutochronology, Ogburn and Arjun Appadurai's conceptualization of global cultural economy. If I write or if you write, so if you write, what you will write?
Sir, scope of relevance of socio and cultural anthropology, race and ethnicity, conservation, gene expression, malnutrition, since we discussed.
No, this 2 means 2, everything we have to write.
Sir, but this thing we did not cover. We are about to
cover
cover it, sir. So this thing is okay, sir. And, this one is completely...
Overall, my review is, overall the question paper is average question paper except this 10 marker, 2 10 markers, glutochronology and William Ogburn and cultural lag. except this 20 marker, rest all are we can attempt. It's doable paper. But coming to this glutochronology and William Ogborn, I am 98% of the aspirants might not be written about this. So apart from it, everything is doable question paper. So every year we can see one 10 marker will be a googly type. This is the 10 marker which is a googly type. If not, it's a very easy paper. Little bit easy and average in between paper it is. Okay. This is my review, the first review with respect to anthropology paper 1. Again we will have paper 2 as well. Thank you.